Welcome back. You're watching Quest for Quiz, the qualifying round for TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are Tollgate Primary on 7 and Ali Primary also on 7. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. The teams have already made their selections for each face-off, so let's begin. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Janelle Evans of Tollgate Primary, who's up against Rishana Morgan of Ali Primary. Janelle, we begin with you. What is 6026? Round it off to the nearest thousand.
6,000.
That's right. What's the difference between 11 squared and 9 squared?
$31.
That's incorrect. Rishana, want to try?
No, miss.
It's 40. Janelle, what's the place value of the 4 in 73.42?
Ones.
That's incorrect. Rishana, want to try?
Yes, miss. 10.
Tenths is correct. Janelle, how many degrees is a sector measuring 3/4 of a circle? Time's up. Question passes to Rishana. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 270 degrees. Janelle, what is 60% of 120?
$720.
That's incorrect. Rishana, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 72. Rishana, we're now over to you. What is 5547? Rounded to the nearest 100.
Miss 5,600.
That's incorrect. Janelle, want to try?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
5,500.
That is correct. Rishana, what's the difference between 12 squared and 10 squared?
Miss 44.
That's correct. What's the place value of the 7 in 273154?
Miss 70,000.
Judge? Passes up. That's incorrect. Janelle?
No, thank you.
It's 10,000s. Rishana, how many degrees is a sector measuring 3/5 of a circle? Question passes. Janelle, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 216 degrees. What is 36% of 50, Rishana? Question passes. Janelle, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 180.
That's incorrect. It's 18. And that brings us to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Sakara Henry of Tollgate Primary up against Davian Willisey of Ali Primary. Sakara, which word starting with V means the part of an environment which can be controlled or changed? Let me read that again. Which word starting with V means the part of an experiment which can be controlled or changed? Question passes. Davian, want to try?
Yes, Miss Variable.
Variable is correct. Sakara, what state of matter can flow be poured?
What? Liquid?
That's correct. Complete this statement using the correct word. The process by which a liquid turns to gas is called?
Evaporation?
That's right. Some sounds are louder than others because the objects make which of the following? Is it A, weaker vibrations, B, stronger vibrations, or C, fewer vibrations?
Stronger vibrations.
That's correct. Sakara, a stone is placed into a cylinder with water. What is being measured? Question passes. Davian, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the volume of the stone. Davian, we're now over to you. Which word, starting with S, means a person who carries out experiments to understand the natural world better?
Scientist.
That's correct. Which soil has little or no nutrient?
Infertile soil.
That's incorrect. Sakara, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's sand. Davian, complete this statement using the correct word. The removal of waste materials from different parts of the body is called?
Excretion.
That's correct. Davian, in order for vibration to reach the eardrum, they pass through which of the following? Is it A, the auditory canal, B, the middle ear, or C, the inner ear?
Auditory canal.
That is correct. When a stone is placed into a container with water, why does the water level rise? Question passes. Sakara, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's because the stone occupies or displaces the space of some of the water. That takes us now to our next face-off in the category of English language. It's between Hayden Turner of Tollgate Primary. Hayden is up against Geneva Cooper of Alley Primary. Hayden, spell competitive.
C-O-P-E-T-I-V-E.
That's incorrect. Geneva, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's competitive, C-O-M-P-E-T-I-T-I-V-E. Hayden, by adding a prefix, give the opposite of legitimate.
Illegitimate.
That's right. By using the word chip, give an expression which means a child resembling his father.
We are chip off the stone.
That's incorrect. Geneva, want to try?
No, thank you.
Chip off the old block is the answer. Hayden, what tense is used in this sentence? I was leaving the store when the robbery occurred.
Past tense.
That's incorrect. Geneva, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's the past continuous tense. Hayden, identify the adverb in this sentence. The tall girl won the race easily.
Easily.
Say again?
Easily.
That's correct. Geneva, spell extinct.
E-X-T-I-N-C-T.
That's right. By adding a prefix, give the opposite of normal.
Unnormal.
That's incorrect. Hayden, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's abnormal. Geneva, by using the word eggs, give an expression which means not to place all your options on one thing. Hayden, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Not to put your eggs in one basket.
That is correct. Geneva, what tense is used in this sentence? I will be riding to the park on Saturday.
Future tense.
That's incorrect. Hayden, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Future continuous tense.
Future continuous tense is correct. Geneva, identify the adverb in this sentence. They ran twice around the park.
Around.
That's incorrect. Hayden, want to try?
Yes, thank you. Twice.
Twice is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between Zaria Stewart of Tollgate Primary. Zaria is up against Luke Crawford of Alley Primary. Zaria, in which parish was the Jamaican national hero George William Gordon born?
St. Thomas.
That's incorrect. Luke, want to try?
No, miss.
It's St. Andrew. Zaria, what was the name given to the trade of slaves between Europe, Africa, and the West Indies?
The triangular trade.
That's correct. What's the capital of the Jamaican parish of St. Thomas?
Morant Bay.
That's right. What's featured on the back of the Jamaican $10 coin?
The coat of arms.
That's incorrect. Luke, want to try?
No, miss.
It's the George William Gordon. Zaria, in which Jamaican county can you find Rio Nuevo?
Cornwall.
Question passes to Luke. Want to try?
No, miss.
It's Middlesex. Luke, we're now over to you. In which parish was the Jamaican national hero Sam Sharp born? Question passes. Zaria, want to try?
St. James.
St. James is correct. Luke, what was the name given to the journey of the transportation of slaves from Africa to the West Indies? Zaria, want to try?
The Middle Passage.
That's correct. Luke, what's the capital of the Jamaican parish of Trelawney? Question passes to you, Zaria.
Falmouth.
Falmouth is correct. Luke, who is featured on the Jamaican $5 coin? Question passes, Zaria. Want to try?
Norman Manley.
Norman Manley is correct. Luke, in which Jamaican county can you find Lover's Leap? Zaria, want to try?
Cornwall.
Cornwall is correct. And that's where we end the second section. We head to the break with Tollgate Primary on 23 and Alley Primary on 14. Stay tuned. More Quest for Quiz when we return.